You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more fascinating videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video, otherwise known as siblings. How to pronounce siblings. The British English pronunciation first, and then we'll get to the US. Top word here is brother, brother. Bottom word, sister. That's how it's pronounced in the UK. Brother, sister. American English pronunciations: brother, sister. Brother and sister in American English. British English, brother and sister. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.